Right guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. Just doing a video today. I had to strip one of these air conditioning units, not the ones you like screw into. It's a mobile one, it moves about. I've already started cracking the screws. Let's have a look inside here, see what we can get out of it. Get rid of the rubbish. Just pick it over. First of all, let's cut this cable up. I'll collect all that like I've told you before. Here's the old cable. Let's have a look in there. That's one to go. Yeah, look. Helicopter rad. Another helicopter rad. Let's have a look, let's strip it on. Chopping all the wire out. Some good stuff in these ones. Well worth picking up. That's the wire man chopped out of there. Couple of screws here. Screw down the screw. I had one for using the screwdriver, man. There you go, that's one off, look. The screwdriver can't do that fast. One there. Get rid of all that. All this plastic out in there. Pick it up, let's see if we can pull this through. There we go. Bit more wire. That down there. This guys, here's the wire. All the wire, and what I've chucked on the floor there. Really single strand wire. Put that in this little box here, let's have a look. There you can see that. More wire, I'm going to keep the board as well. Two bits I can strip off there. Keep all that, bits of copper in every bit of that. That's all your wire out. Right, I'm going to start from this side. Flip that over. Cutters on these pipes. Let's have a look where the best place to cut them is. There. Cutters are the best, but they do the job. alley copper rad, 1, plus the wire. More copper. Fair bit of copper in there, if I'm honest. Copper. Fair bit of copper there, look at that. Some brass. I'm going to have to get my spanners on this. This is a fridge pot. It's where all the gases are stored. I get £6 each for them. £6. So let's see if I can undo these bolts. That's come out with it. Let's get rid of this. There's 2 copper alley rads, so the one I had earlier, this one too, the wire. I'll get this fridge pot off in a minute. When I get my spanners, you can see that fridge pot. Let's get this uncovered. There you go. I get £6 each for them. There's a motor inside them, but they reuse them. They send them back abroad and to hotter climates, and they use a couple on each machine. So £6 each for them. You've got your 2 alley copper rads, fair bit of wire, some brass, fridge pot. Put that out the way over there in a minute. I'll show you in a minute what I've got in the total. I ain't finished yet, there's still some more. The motor there. Motor with copper wire in. Another one there. And another motor for copper wiring. Let me show you what in total what I've got. I'll get it all up and I'll show you. This wire out of it. These wires, some wires, they all add up. See that there? So all that wire. Some copper pipe with some brass. Clean that up. Nice bit of copper pipe. 2 motors, copper wiring. A fridge pot. Good all day, I take them all day, I like them. And 1, 2 copper alley rads. There you go. If you see one of them lying about on the streets, pick it up. But if you haven't give you, because they're well worth stripping all day long. There you go. Thank you very much guys for watching. Absolutely fantastic. If you've liked my channel, please like and subscribe. It'll help out massive. Thank you very much. Cheers. Thanks for watching.